Alright, thought I'd, instead of taking some pictures, to just show you about this hard start issue on this cam mechanism. Believe it or not, let me back on up, is getting that bed off is like actually pretty fast, and it's faster for me to take the 4 bolts out of the seats moving forward, to get the screws out of the front of the bed, get the bed off, and all. We got another little video for that. Now once you get that bed off, there's this piece right here is right up here, and then this cross member, or whatever you want to call it, support, runs across. I got a flashlight from there to here. There's your exhaust duct. You got to take it loose. Then your head valve cover. I don't even know what I did with my valve cover. Oh, there it is. Guess I could look at my own video, but it's got an O-ring rubber, so you can reuse it. You won't have to have a gasket. And I've left this in place. This is I'm gonna see this pin right here, and then that hole right there. That's where the spring goes. And this position right here, my engine is stuck in the don't start move position right now. If I hit the key, it won't turn over. And it's because this mechanism, let me put my flashlight down, and I can't move it right now because the pin is there, but it won't move. Alright, so the spring holds it upward, so when it rotates around without the engine running, there's a little shaft in there that has a round and a flat portion. And so the spring holds it in round, and when it goes down, it hits the top of that valve bucket to decompress the motor to easy start. So mine's stuck in that position right now. Alright, I'm going to see if I can't get it to turn over and then show you something. Alright, let's see if that did it. Oh, still in that spot. Hold on. Okay, that'll work. Sorry, this is crude. Alright, here's the mechanism. Alright, so the spring is supposed to hold it down like this. And then when you crank it up, centrifugal force moves it up, turns a little shaft to the flat portion, and it no longer hits the valve. So that's run position, and that is start position. Hope that makes sense. And like I said, mine is simply missing the spring that goes from down here at the pin to right up there at the hole. And so it'd be a real easy fix if I had the $1.72 spring, put it on, and then it'll start easy again. So if you're having a hard start issue, it'd take you about, if you had your tools out, 20 minutes to get to this point is all. And then you can put the, it's almost like a laser pointer, then put your valve cover back on. I believe it was only 4 screws. Real easy. If anybody has this problem, I'd check this out. And if you got any questions, you can always give me a call here at Hunter Works. Of course, we don't sell the spring. You got to get it at Yamaha. But just thought I'd share this with you.